All right, friends, last time we did this, we had a bunch of different centimeter cubes, but I'm going to show you how to do end-to-end, no gaps, no overlaps, with only 1 centimeter cube, and then you're going to do some on your own, okay? So first, I take my 1 centimeter cube and I line it up to the end, and then I make a little line. Then I keep on going the whole length of the marker. See how I'm ending. Let me get this really close for you right here. I'm putting the end of my centimeter cube right here so that I know exactly where to put it again. So I'm not putting it way over here or making anything confusing. And I'm just going to keep going until I get to the very end, being very careful. You can see how they're all about the same size, right? They're all about the same size. And now I can count how many centimeter cubes long my marker is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now I know that my marker is 13 centimeters long.